Welcome, fam. If you're waking up feeling tight, sluggish, carrying the stress of yesterday, this is for you. Before the world pulls at you, we're going to build strength, breath, and space inside of you. Let's hit the mat. This move might look funny, but it's one of the most powerful ways to reconnect your brain and core before the day takes over. Lie on your back, knees stacked over hips, arms reaching toward the sky. Slowly extend opposite arm and opposite leg away from center. Keep your core tight and your lower back gently pressing into the floor. You'll feel your deep core muscles are firing up, not just the surface level abs. This strengthens your entire trunk and resets your body's natural stability, which you'll need in the next move. Beginners, keep the range of motion small. Advanced stretches, extend fully and hold each rep for a pause. Most back pain stems from a weak, deep core, not tight muscles. Give me 5 more seconds. Lock in that breath. Are you feeling the deep core light up? If not, tighten your abs like you're bracing for a gentle punch. That just unlocked your core. Now let's fire up the engine even deeper. Your glutes are your power generators. If they are asleep, your whole body pays for it. Still lying down, feet flat, knees bent. Press through your heels and lift your hips until you form a straight line from shoulders to knees. You should be feeling a firm squeeze in your glutes, not your lower back. Active glutes protect your back, strengthen your stride, and improve posture. Beginners, lift halfway. Advanced stretches, pause 2 seconds at the top for an extra burn. Did you know that activating your glutes can boost your overall athletic performance by up to 20%? Yep, squeeze tight. 5 more seconds, even higher. Are you feeling the back of your legs working? If not, press harder through the heels. That just unlocked your posterior chain. Now let's reset the spine. When your spine moves better, everything else moves better. Sit tall, legs extended or crossed. Hug your right knee across your body. Twist to the right. Hand behind you for support. Spine stays tall, not slumped. You're going to feel a deep stretch through your mid and upper back. Twisting improves digestion, releases spinal tension, and clears stagnant energy. Beginners, gentle hug and twist. Advanced stretches, deepen the twist on each exhale. Did you know that twisting stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, helping you feel calmer throughout the day? Twist a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Feel that in your mid-back yet? If not, imagine lengthening your spine upward before twisting more. That just unlocked your mobility. Time to tie it all together with one of my favorites. Let's close this flow with breath, stretch, and centered energy. From all fours, slide your right arm under your left arm. Rest your right shoulder and ear gently on the ground. Feel the gentle spiral through your spine. You're going to feel a calming, melting stretch across the upper back and shoulders. I promise opening your thoracic spine improves breathing, posture, and resets nervous system tension. Beginners, small reach. Advanced stretches, thread your arm further and twist deeper into the floor. Did you know that twisting and rotating the spine daily has been shown to improve flexibility and heart rate variability? Sink into it. 5 more seconds. Melt through the breath. Feel your shoulders release. If not, soften your breath and let gravity do more of the work. That just unlocked your whole body flow, grounded, centered, and ready. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.